Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just basically in my meski. If you guys don't know what a meski is, it's like a maxi dress, but a Bangladeshi version of a maxi dress that you wear at home as a pajama. And I'm feeling so comfortable right now, so I thought I would do a quick tutorial for you guys on a soft glam look, I would say. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it yet. I don't even know where I'm going with this look yet. It's hot pink, but I'm you know, just in my zone. So I've already applied my base and I've used my MAC Select Cover Up in NC35 today. I'm gonna pat down the creases. I've already done my brows as well, and I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I don't even know where it is. It's somewhere here, but everything's like everywhere and it's a mess right now. So yeah. So I'm gonna use the Morphe 12NB palette. And I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's the darkest shade in the palette. Oh my god guys, like I spent so long trying to put my kids to sleep, but it didn't even work. It didn't even work. They're awake in the living room. And I'm gonna place it in the outer corners. Actually, I'm gonna do a spotlight eyes. I'm gonna place it in the outer corner and in the inner corner today. Just like literally doing my inner corners and my outer corner, but then I'm gonna not take any more product on the brush and I'm just gonna blend it out on the top bit here, because we want it to be obviously smooth and blended. And I'm just like really lightly blending this out, like I'm applying the lightest pressure, guys. Every time I'm on my like ring light and stuff, like I actually prefer natural lighting, but today is so like gloomy outside, so I had to use my ring light, and it just makes me so hot now that I'm like obviously extra pregnant and I have like this like my hormones and stuff are everywhere, so my the temperature, like I get really hot, and I can't obviously open any of my windows because you'll just hear wind. Okay, so I'm just blending that all out, making the edges softer. Then I'm going to go back in and just build the colour. Okay, so I'm going to take this orangey shade here from the palette as well. They don't have names, so I'm sorry. And I bought this palette a while ago. I don't know if the packaging or anything's changed, and I'm just gonna kind of blend this with the other shade but on top. Now I've just applied that, and I've also just gone in with the MAC Reflex Glitter in gold. Yeah, in gold. And then I'm just gonna get a more smaller detailed brush, and I'm going to go in with that shade Violetta again. Stop. And I'm just going to blend, okay guys? You want to blend this in so there's no harsh lines there. So I don't want to lose attention from the glitter or the eye looks. I'm not really going to go in with a liner. I'm going to go straight in with my lashes, and I'm going to use my Huda Beauty lashes in Jade, which are here because I wore them yesterday. So I'm just going to apply them to my lash. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look with the foundation, the lashes and the lipstick on. I chose to go for a bold lip just because I always do a nude, so I thought I'll switch it up a little bit on myself because I'm always wearing a nude. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick mini eye tutorial. It's like the literally the easiest thing to do. It's everything. That's the whole look, guys. I'd mentioned that I was using the Huda Beauty Jade lashes. I really like these lashes with this kind of look, just because it's shorter in the inner corners and longer in the outer corners, so you can see more of my eye makeup, if that makes sense. I think it does. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy this quick tutorial, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share with your family and friends if you did enjoy it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.